So this is a rock I found at a mine. So that's a little piece of uranium ore. Yeah, those are also, let's switch this so you can hear it better, maybe. Yep, radioactive and radioactive. So, we can open the shield. And this will pick up more beta radiation, because what we're mostly getting here is gamma. So that is the sounds of an old E520 Eberline Geiger counter with an SK-1 clicker. You can't hear anything without this clicker. This clicker is got a little 15-volt battery in it. This particular model has a semiconductor in it that I've never seen before. It's really bizarre, and it's really hard to find one, and if you find one they're really expensive. But there's a later circuit that doesn't use that semiconductor but still uses 15 volts. You could use a boost converter to get the 15 volts and build the other circuit and get a really authentic clicking sound if you could produce the really spiky input signal that the thing puts off, which I think I have a diagram of somewhere. So there you have it. I should say, there you have it. There you have it. Anyway,